launch. We are just over 30 seconds away until the maiden launch of this vehicle. Good luck, Terran 1, and have fun. Here we go.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 1. Liftoff.
Terran 1 has cleared the tower.
Switchover maneuver starting. Launch pad facing.
Look at that blue fire! If you can hear me over the cheering, the vehicle is now headed downrange in an easterly direction over the Atlantic Ocean. Our next ascent milestone is max Q, around 80 seconds.
Terran 1 is supersonic. Get telemetry switch over at the ground station. Max Q.
We are on our way to making a new history. Terran came ready to play today. You just heard that call out indicating Terran 1 just made it through. Max Q. We just completed a major step in proving to the world that 3D printed rockets are structurally viable. Up next, we'll be looking for a call out that stage 1 performance is nominal.